If you ever see someone getting bent like this, don't scroll yet. You're about to learn something wild. But before I explain, if you've ever had back pain, hit that like and subscribe. This move is called a tailbone adjustment. It targets the coccyx, the tiny bone at the bottom of your spine that can shift from sitting, injuries, or even childbirth. A professional chiropractor adjusts it to bring it back in line. And that pop sound, that's not bones breaking. It's gas releasing from your joints, a signal that tension's been released. Looks scary, but for some people, it's pure spine relief heaven.